child, it might be too tight. Hold on now. So, I bought this head wrap from Target. It's the Cantu brand, fashionable wrap, and I wanted to style it for you guys. You know how I love my head wraps. Well, I'll say headbands, right? I have a lot from the Wrap Life or whatever, or a few from the Wrap Life, not a lot. Plan on buying more because I just love that brand, but I wanted to try something different. My hair is straight. I haven't retwisted it, and I'm not, not for a little while. I mean, not retwist, but like braid out. You guys know I do my braid outs all the time. But what I'm doing, or what I'm doing for a few days, maybe weeks, I don't know, is I'm just gonna wear it straight. Because I've been doing swimming. I'm officially out for summer break. I got in the pool. I plan on getting in some more. And you know, when you go swimming, I don't wear a swimming cap. I just get in the pool and my hair gets wet, so I have to wash it. And I don't want to be retwisting it or braiding it, not retwisting, but I don't want to be braiding it every time. So I've been wearing it straight. So, okay. Wrap it at night or whatever. You guys saw how I did that. And now I am going to try this head wrap. So let me open it. I haven't even opened it yet. So funny because my mother-in-law came over the other day and she had it on. I was like, oh my gosh, I just bought that. How funny. All right, so let's see. Let's see how we are going to wear this. It's probably one of two ways we can do it. Okay, you guys know, for some reason, I don't know, I feel like I like the security of having like a ribbon or whatever down. Is it moisturized enough? Yeah, I think I'm okay. I'll just spray some more rosewater glycerin. Okay. So, number one way that I wear headbands is everything is back and like all my locks are to the back. I'll wrap this around just for like, I don't know why I say support, but I don't know. I just like my stuff to be kind of like fitted, like tight. Not too tight, but like tight. I don't know if you get my drift, but anyway. So, so that's on. And I would also wear this ribbon by itself. I used to do that all the time and I still would. All right, so now that all of my locks are to the back, I will just go ahead and put the wrap on. And this wrap seems like pretty like tight. Ooh, child, it might be too tight. Hold on now. I know I had read a review, okay, where the lady was like, too tight. It should have been like a child size or something that she said, but let me see. Oh, okay. I like tight though. I like tight and secure. Like I don't want a loose headband. There's nothing worse than a loose headband where you got to use like bobby pins to keep it secure, right? All right. It's very Black History Month, very Juneteenth. So that's one way we can wear it. Okay. The back is just like so, and that is that. All right, so I think that's good. Just taking out a few from the front. side or whatever. And just go with that. And then of course there's many other ways that you can wear a headband, but these are like the easiest for me, the quickest for me. So this is what I do. All right. Thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.